Hey, good morning. It's Saturday, and today it's our last day here. We starting packing, unpacking, and packing the airplane, ready to go back to almost 1,700 miles back to California. It was a great experience, lovely people everywhere. Last night we got a storm, a kind of with a lot of winds, lasted a few hours, dropped some rain. The grounds are wet, but people are functioning and jogging. There's plenty of place to do activities. Right there behind me, you can see people jogging. And airplanes are taking off. It's going to be a line of airplanes right around this line right there. It's the runway. You see right now, Cherokee, and see families are doing morning routines like they're living at home, and the paragliders are in the back right there, already in the air. So it's a beautiful day at Oshkosh. Feels good. It was a great experience, and I think we'll make it back next year with probably another airplane, hopefully. More room to put stuff in. If you're camping, you need a lot of additional stuff that usually you carry around the house. So, but the comfort it's okay. It's more like glamping than camping, and we have showers right there, the yellow, and less toilets, but food is everywhere, and it's a great atmosphere. Bus is carrying you around, so it's awesome. If you haven't had this experience before, it's worth coming and enjoy it. See you next time.